Hi guys, it's Dave with howtostopsnoring.org, and today I just wanted to go over one of the snoring devices that we talk about on the website. It's not a lot, but we do talk about it. It's for tongue snorers, and what happens if you're a tongue snorer, you're normally sleeping on your back, and as your muscles relax in your throat and in your mouth, the tongue relaxes too. And that just falls back into the back of your throat and it blocks the airway. And that's where the snorings come from if you're a tongue snorer. So we do have a device called a tongue stabilization device, TSD, and it looks like this. Go ahead and laugh. It looks like a pacifier. So how this works is you stick your tongue in there, you squeeze it, put your tongue in, let it go, and the suction keeps your tongue from falling into the back of your mouth. And you just sleep with this in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in and kind of show you guys how it's done. And that holds your tongue from falling into the back of your throat. Obviously it doesn't have a taste, it's just plastic. And you wash it out in the morning. It's no big deal. It does look funny, but your spouse loves you. They're not gonna care. In fact, they're gonna like it if you're not snoring. So that's the tongue stabilizing device, and that's how it works. So we do have them on the website. Go ahead and check it out. And if you have any questions about it or how it works or anything, it's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and ask them. And again, I'm taking questions. I'm getting a few, and I think that's probably going to be the next video. We'll answer some of your questions. So thanks for tuning in, and good night.